Hello, everyone. How are you? Is the summer heat here yet, or are you still staying cool? I've definitely started to feel the heat, so I've been wearing simple, breathable fabrics and relaxed outfits to stay comfortable. Every summer, I also like to refresh my wardrobe with a few new trends that instantly make my wardrobe feel fresher. Today, we're looking at what's out and what's in for summer 2026. For every outdated trend, I'll show you the modern replacement and a simple styling tip. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Which sneakers are trending? Let's start with shoes. One item that's quietly fading out is the basic white canvas sneaker. It was once considered a wardrobe essential, but today, it can make an outfit feel a little plain and dated. Instead, summer 2026 is all about retro-inspired sneakers with personality. Think soft colors, suede textures, or vintage athletic styles that instantly add interest to even the simplest outfit. I switched from plain white sneakers this spring, and I was surprised by how much more interesting even my basic outfits looked. Pair them with relaxed jeans, linen trousers, or a breezy midi dress for an effortless, modern look. One styling tip: retro sneakers work best when they're balanced with relaxed or slightly tailored pieces. If your outfit is overly feminine, with lots of ruffles, lace, or delicate details, the sporty shoes can feel disconnected. Number 2. Which shorts look more modern? Next up are denim shorts, and this trend shift couldn't be more obvious. Super tight, heavily ripped shorts are stepping aside this summer. While they were once the go-to choice for casual outfits, they can now make your look feel a bit overdone and less effortless. Taking their place are relaxed dad shorts with a longer, looser fit and little to no distressing. They feel fresh, comfortable, and surprisingly flattering on many body types. I honestly didn't think I'd like this trend, but after trying one pair, they've quickly become one of my summer favorites. Style them with a tucked-in t-shirt, a linen shirt, or a tailored vest for an easy, elevated look. One tip: choose shorts that skim your legs instead of hugging them. The extra room creates cleaner proportions and gives your outfit a relaxed confidence that's very much in style for summer 2026. Number 3. Is your denim jacket outdated? Let's talk about denim jackets. If yours is super fitted, cropped, and feels tight every time you move your arms, it may be time to give it a break. Those body-hugging styles were once a wardrobe favorite, but today they can make an outfit look a little dated and less effortless. This summer, relaxed and boxy denim jackets are taking over. They feel lighter, more comfortable, and layer beautifully over t-shirts, tank tops, dresses, and even matching linen sets. The slightly oversized shape adds a modern touch without looking sloppy. Here's what makes the difference. Don't size down. Let the jacket have a little room so it drapes naturally. That relaxed silhouette is exactly what gives today's outfits their polished, easygoing charm. Number 4. Are cutout tops going out of style? There was a time when tops with cutouts, crisscross straps, and unexpected openings were everywhere. They were designed to stand out. But today, they often make an outfit feel busy rather than stylish. Summer 2026 is taking a much cleaner approach to showing a little skin. Instead, one shoulder and off-the-shoulder tops are having a major moment. They reveal just enough to feel feminine and sophisticated without overwhelming the rest of your outfit. The simple silhouette also makes them much easier to pair with wide-leg trousers, midi skirts, or tailored shorts. The key is subtle elegance. Choose solid colors or soft textures and let the neckline become the focal point. When one feature stands out, everything else can stay simple, and that's what creates a truly polished look. Number 5. How should you style a mini skirt in 2026? Mini skirts aren't going anywhere, but the way we style them has completely changed. The old formula of a fitted mini skirt, a tight top, and high heels can feel a little predictable and overly dressy for everyday summer style. The updated look is all about contrast. Keep the mini skirt, but pair it with an oversized button-down shirt, a relaxed knit, or a simple boxy t-shirt. Finish the outfit with ballet flats, sleek sandals, or retro sneakers instead of towering heels. The mix of feminine and relaxed pieces creates a look that feels fresh, effortless, and much more current. Contrast is your best friend. When one piece is short or fitted, balance it with something softer and more relaxed. That's the styling trick that makes this trend look chic instead of trying too hard. Number 6. Are white jeggings out? White jeggings had their moment. They were stretchy, easy to wear, and once considered a summer staple. But today, Their skin-tight fit can make an outfit look dated, especially when paired with equally fitted tops. This season, it's all about ivory and white jeans with a straight leg, wide leg, or barrel leg silhouette. These modern cuts feel more relaxed, more sophisticated, and surprisingly easy to style. They pair beautifully with linen shirts, lightweight knits, and simple tank tops, creating a clean and elevated summer look. Fit makes all the difference. Instead of jeans that cling to every curve, choose a silhouette that skims the body. You'll look more polished, feel more comfortable, and your outfit will have that effortless elegance that's defining summer 2026. Number 7. What prints look more elegant? Bold rainbow tie-dye had its moment, bringing fun and energy to casual wardrobes. But for summer 2026, those loud, high-contrast patterns are taking a step back. They can easily overpower an outfit and are often harder to style in a modern way. Instead, soft, neutral tones and subtle prints are leading the trend. Think gentle stripes, delicate florals, muted tie-dye, or earthy shades that feel calm and effortless. These pieces mix beautifully with linen trousers, denim, and simple accessories, making your wardrobe much more versatile. Here's an easy rule to follow. If your outfit already has an interesting silhouette, keep the print understated. Let the cut and the quality of the fabric stand out, while the colors quietly add elegance rather than demanding attention. Number 8. Which summer sandals look chic? Remember when gladiator sandals were everywhere? With all those straps wrapping around the foot and ankle? They were once the ultimate summer statement. Today, however, they can make an outfit feel busy and take attention away from the clean, effortless style that's trending in 2026. This summer, simplicity wins. Minimal leather sandals, sleek flip-flops, and elegant square-toe styles are replacing heavy, strappy designs. They're comfortable, versatile, and pair effortlessly with linen dresses, tailored shorts, wide-leg trousers, and midi skirts. I've found myself reaching for simple leather sandals far more often because they seem to work with almost everything I own. Sometimes less really does more. The fewer distractions around your feet, the longer and cleaner your legs appear. A simple sandal doesn't just complete your outfit, it lets the rest of your style shine. Number 9. What's replacing oversized straw hats? A great hat can instantly elevate a summer outfit, but not every style is keeping up with today's trends. Extra-wide straw hats with oversized brims had their time in the spotlight, especially on vacation and social media. Now, they often feel more like a photo prop than an everyday accessory. This summer, classic brimmed straw hats are making a strong comeback. I used to reach for oversized styles on sunny days, but lately I've found myself wearing a classic brimmed hat much more often because it feels effortless and works with almost everything I own. They pair beautifully with linen dresses, relaxed shirts, and tailored shorts. One styling tip: choose balance over drama. Your hat should complement your outfit, not compete with it. A simple, well-proportioned straw hat adds effortless sophistication and will stay stylish long after seasonal trends have changed. Fashion trends come and go, but great style is always personal. If I had to pick one favorite trend this summer, it would be retro-inspired sneakers. They're comfortable, versatile, and instantly make even the simplest outfit look fresh and modern. I've been wearing mine almost every day, and I absolutely love how easy they are to style. Now I'd love to know, which trend is your favorite? See you in the next video.